Is my microphone on this time? Wait. Okay, it is on. Hello everybody! We have reached my favorite time of the year. And that is spooky season! Spooky season! Spooky season, spooky season, spooky season. So yeah, even though it feels like April right now, it is actually October. What? I swear to God, this year is absolutely insane. But yeah, it is October, which means spooky season has finally arrived. So to celebrate the beginning of spooky season, I am going to give myself some beautiful Halloween inspired hair. No, I am not going to dye this hair. I am going to dye this hair. I feel like such a different person when I'm not wearing my wig. Okay, wait, let me just put it on again quickly. Woohoo. Just look at the difference a little bit of hair makes. Oh my god, I am a completely different person right now. But before I'm going to make myself look absolutely crazy again, I just quickly want to talk about today's sponsor. So today's video is kindly sponsored by my favorite shampoo and conditioner brand, and that is a Function of Beauty. If you do not know yet, Function of Beauty is a 100% customizable hair care brand with 54 trillion combinations. All you gotta do is go onto the website and fill in the hair quiz, where you're gonna outline your hair texture, your hair goals, the fragrance you want in your product, and they will make your custom hair care products and ship them directly to your doorstep. And there are no parabens, no toxins, no sulfates, and no GMOs in their products. And of course, they are 100% vegan and cruelty free. I've been using their products for such a long time already, and I absolutely love them because they make my hair feel so much better than all the other shampoos that I've been using my entire life. And yeah, I know I shaved all my hair off, but I actually still use their products every single week. I use them on my own hair, but I also use them to wash my beautiful wigs. Because as you know, wigs don't actually grow. So I try to make sure to keep them as healthy as possible, because I don't want to throw them away. So for my hair goals, I got anti-frizz, deep condition, fix split ends, hydrate and strengthen. I also use their leave-in conditioner to make my hair feel soft during the day. And I always go for the strong fragrance because it just makes my hair smell so good. So if you want to check them out, make sure to click the link in the description box down below, because that will also give you 20% off your first order. Damn. So yeah, thank you Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. So first thing we gotta do is prep this beautiful hair for some new color. So I'm going to take my beautiful buzzer and I'm going to shave my hair a little bit, because as you can see, it's already getting extremely long right now. And I'm going to use this, I don't know how you call it. It's kind of like a cape, and I actually bought it for my boyfriend so he could shave his beard without making a mess. But it's like a cape, and then you get 2 suction cups you add to the mirror. 1, 2. Oh my god! Wait, let me do this a little bit lower. Let me do this over here. And now I can shave my hair without making an absolute mess on the ground. Oh no! It's falling down! Wait! No! No! It won't stick! Wait, let me try it again. Please stay there. Please stick. Okay. Oh, me! Look at all my hair. Shit. I still dropped like half of my hair on my lap. But okay, let's continue. Onto the bleaching part of my hair, because of course I need to bleach my hair. I'm going to use some super cheap bleach that I got, and the last time that I used this, my scalp burned very intensely. But I'm just going to try it again, because maybe this time my scalp is going to be fine. I don't know. I just know that I want to bleach my hair and that I don't want to spend a lot of money on expensive bleach that is less damaging to your hair, because I'm going to shave it off in about 2 weeks anyway. So let's see if I'm going to burn this time. Professional, professional. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh my god, no. I dropped it on my favorite pants. Why am I wearing these? Oh my god. So I just dropped an entire blob of bleach on my favorite pants. And honestly, I do not even know why I was wearing those, because this of course was like bound to happen. Anyways, let's continue. Let's make some more bleach. Okay. Let's bleach this scalp. I actually can't believe that I just ruined my favorite pants that I wear every single day. I hate myself. This bleach feels terrible. Oh my god, I don't think this is good for me at all. I am burning in hell way sooner than I thought I would. Oh my god. But yeah, I'll be right back. And hopefully my scalp is still there when I am back. Hey! I am blonde again. So now that my hair is short and blonde again, I can start dyeing it in a very fun way, which I am super excited about. So I actually had 2 different ideas. Okay, so three ideas. The first idea was to dye a pumpkin on my head, which I honestly still think would be cute. But I don't think I'm feeling the pumpkin vibe right now. The second idea was to draw a spider web on my head, which is super cool. But at the same time, I don't think that's very like Halloween specific. So the third idea that I have is something that I found on Pinterest, and when I saw it, I thought it was amazing. And it is this amazing. Look! Those are little ghosts on their head. Oh my god, this is actually amazing. So I am going to try and do this as well, because this is just perfect. This is perfect. For the hair color, I'm going for Nightshade, which is a very dark purple by Lunar hair dye, because I feel like purple is a very Halloween color. Like purple, green, and orange are like the Halloween colors for some reason. I don't even know why. But yeah, this is what I'm going to put on my hair, and I'm going to try and draw some ghosts on my head. Since I do actually want it to look good, I am going to draw some ghosts on with this, like, I don't know what this is. NYX Hydra Touch Brightener Makeup Pencil. So I'm just going to use this to draw some spoopy ghosts on my head. Oh my god, this is going to be amazing. Okay, and then one over here. How am I going to do this? Like this? Oh my god, I did such a bad job at shaving it. I missed the entire part. I just missed this entire part. Let me quickly shave that off. You know what? I'm just gonna start dyeing it because I'm literally already tired. Okay, here we go. Does that look like a ghost? Oh my god, I don't think so at all. Oh god, look at this. Okay, let's do this one. This already looks a lot better than the previous one. Yeah, I got myself a beautiful mirror, so hopefully it's going to be a little bit easier for me now to draw on some ghosts. So I'm gonna, can you see it? I want you to see it as well, but I also want me to see it. I am making the weirdest ghosts ever. Oh god, oh god. No! Oh god, this is so hard. I swear to god, I just can't do it. I just can't do it that way, I'm sorry. Oh, why is this all so hard? I thought it was gonna be so fun to give myself a buzz cut again and just dye random things into my hair, but I swear to god, this is so difficult. This is so difficult. But yeah, I got some spoopy ghosts on my head. Let me show you the results that I have right now. And now I'm just carefully going to dye the rest of my hair purple. And basically I am just dyeing my scalp again. These definitely do not look like ghosts. Oh my god. No. I am just going to draw some cute faces on these ghosts and maybe I can make them look a little bit better. This just looks ridiculous. Oh. Pablo is here to tell me I did a horrible job. Right, Pablo? Papi, what do you think? No! Accidentally! Oh god! Look what I did! I wanted to make a happy ghost, but I look so sad now. So yeah, I got all the ghosts on my head right now. And it definitely does not look like the way that I envisioned it. Oh. Since there's no way going back now, I'm just going to let this sit in my hair for about 30 minutes and I'm going to rinse it out. And then we can see the actual final end result, which is most definitely not going to look better than it's looking right now. Oh god, just look at this one. What did I do? What did I do? So, my hair is done. I completely my hair up. Oh my god. I mean, you can definitely see that this is a Halloween inspired hairdo because it looks horrifying. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. It even looks bad on the top of my head. Just look at this dude. So, I think I'm just gonna go and cry a little bit and think about how I'm going to try and fix this mess, because I do not want to walk on this earth looking like this. This is probably the worst thing I've ever done to my hair. And on the picture it looked so cute. I was so excited to be walking around with little ghosts on my head. Pokey, what do you think of my hair? You like it? She doesn't even want to look at me. But yeah, this was obviously not a success. So let me just... yeah, this is better. Thank you all so much for watching another video of mine. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I really hope to see you in my next video, where I hopefully will have some better looking hair, because it's not okay. No. Bye!